Hello guys, today I made a cat because I'm a cat lover, and this is the sketch of the cats. You can see that's how I made it. First make the sketch and make the real line. I don't know what people call line art, but I think this is the line art. One of my suggestions is it's good for us to make bone uh, the bone sketch before making any animals or human, because it will be easier for us to make the animals or human body after we make the bone sketch. I don't know make the face sketch because I'm bad at making any face. You can see later when I'm making the face it will be creepy. It's so creepy, so I erased the eyes, but I kept the nose and the mouth. And here I'm using the hairbrush for coloring the hair because it's very useful. It's very useful and help us in making hair, in coloring hair. I'm using the dark brown and coloring the body. I think it's more suitable with the light brown color. Normally the cat's stomach color is brighter than its body, so it's my fault and forgot it. And here now I make the mouth, but it's look creepy I think, so I change the shape of the mouth. It just like it's smiling, not open its mouth when smiling. It's just a closed smile. And this is the funny part when I make the eyes. You can see it's in the funny eyes. I think that's not funny, but it's a bit creepy. I don't know how to make it, so I better erase it. And starting to make the background, to choose the suitable background and choose this red carpet background. Okay, that's all of my tutorial. I hope you can make it yourself by your own way, because everyone have their way to draw this cat. And finally, if you have any suggestion or comment, you can write down below. Don't be hesitate to drop any comment down, and don't forget to watch my other videos, and see ya.